Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to show you how to fix your screen looks dull. Simply for this, go to the settings and scroll down, tap on the option accessibility. Then tap on vision enhancements. Here you can see the option color correction. Tap on this one. Okay. So here we can adjust the display settings. You can see some color display. First of all, we do turn on this one. So according to your choice, you can select any one from here. Here you can see the change. Okay, if your display looks faded or dull, these settings can improve the color and the screen clarity quickly. If your device looks like this one, here you can adjust the color. Okay, so simply in this way we can fix the screen looks dull on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye.